there's so much traffic. Good thing I know a shortcut. That's better. Hey, did you know that we can also use shortcuts in math? Yeah, let's talk about using known sums to add and subtract. What do you think that means, a known sum? Yeah, it's a sum that you already know, like 1 plus 1 equals 2. You could use that known sum to help you solve a more challenging problem, like 41 plus 61. 1 plus 1 is hiding in there. Do you see it? So you already know that the ones place digit will be 2. If you know the combinations of 10, another known sum might stick out to you in this equation. Yeah, 6 plus 4, that equals 10. I know 5 plus 5 equals 10, so that known sum helps me confirm that 6 plus 4 equals 10, because 6 is 1 more than 5 and 4 is 1 less than 5, so it balances out. 41 plus 61 equals 102. Nice. Want to know something that I don't tell a lot of people? When I was a kid, I was scared of doing subtraction, like terrified. Really, learning math was super hard for me, and I just felt so much more comfortable adding. But then I learned that if you know addition, you actually know subtraction too. They're related, like family members. It's sort of like putting a puzzle together. For example, a common known sum is 2 plus 2 equals 4. If you know that, then you also know 4 minus 2 equals 2. So if you saw something like 54 minus 12, you know there will be a 2 in the ones place because you know 4 minus 2 thanks to 2 plus 2. That's your known sum. Then you just need to subtract 5 minus 1 to solve. So 54 minus 12 equals 42. One of the best things you can do in math is learn how to work with what you've got. If you know one math fact, you actually know a lot more. So think about the easy sums that feel comfortable for you and use them as a guide. You could even write them down in a special place and look back at them whenever you're working on harder math. Remember, you can always use what you already know to figure out what to do. Like when I took that shortcut.